less intelligent. Those who have no spiritual and conception. And those who are completely blind. Here blind means no conception of Shastra Gyan. No, there are no knowledge of the scriptures. And that's what they are doing. Many people also doing. And or Atur means those who are suffering three folds of Maya. Distress. So Jada, Undha, Atur. Saptartari. All they also deliver in the ocean of Maya, just taking shelter, holy names. Holy name Nuga Konsu. Sri Guru Kandari. Gurudev is boatman. And boat, that is called Harinam. Harinamer Nauka Khani Sri Guru Kandari. Sankirtan Kerwal. Kerwal means those are what is called driving, driving when there are many people are sitting and
used to, I don't know in English.
Jada Andha Sankirtana Korwal Dubhavu Pasari, and only raise two hands. Haribo. Jada, so what is your question? Simple. If you have Shastra Gyan or not, just completely surrender Harinam, then Harinam will deliver you from this ocean of Maya. Harinam is powerful. Always giving the emphasis about Harinam. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. For this regard, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad quoted one verse in what Grantha? Padavali. Dhruvasya Kavayo. What is the age of Dhruva Maharaj? Gajendrasya Ka Vidya. What is the knowledge or Gajendra? Kubja Kim Rupam. What is the beauty of Kubja? Sudamna Kimna Dhanam. What kinds of wealth of Sudama Vipra? Vamsa Kavi Vidurasya. What is the dynasty of Vidur? Vidur was born in which dynasty? Vidur was his dynasty of the Dasiputra actually. He is the son of maid servant. Dasiputra.
He's a
Maid servant. Ugrasan Kima Paurasam. What is the power and Sakti of Ugrasan? And finished. Bhakta Tusanti Evam Madhavam. Lord, accept how much your bhakti. Bhakti means seva vritti, not other these things. Understand? Bhakti means is yours. How to serve to Guru and Krishna. One will say Gajendrasya Kim Ka Vidya. We are told that. Dhruvasya Ka Vayo Gajendrasya Ka Vidya. Dharmasya. अरे व्याधस्व ये भगवान क्या उच्चारण करते व्याधस्व व्याधस्व की आचरणम What is the good behavior of hunter? Which hunter? Mrigari. Not in any good behavior also. Only he was killing the animals. Otherwise, Dharmavad. There is one hunter, his name was also Dharmavad. Different yugas. This thing. Vedasya kim acharanam. What did he say? Vedasya kim acharanam. What is the good behavior of the hunter? The hunter name was Dharmavad. Name was Dharmavad. Name Dharmavad, but he committed all adharma. You understand? Some person name is good, but completely hard. This thing. Padma Lochan, but he is completely blind. This is saying. So Bhakti Tusanti Madhavam. Lord Madhav, you will be happy with your bhakti. This was saying this. Nacha gunai. Not need any other qualifications. Only one qualification need bhakti. Bhakti, what does it mean bhakti? Bhakti means seva, servitual mode. Om Ajnana Timirandrasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshurmitang Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Gurave Gaura Chandraya Radhika Vitadalaya Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo. Vancha kalpadurvascha kripa sindhubhya evacha patitanang pavanebho vaishnavebho namo. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Shri Gaura Bhakta-vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So yesterday was the disappearance day of Lochan Das Thakur. And in our Vaishnava Sampradaya, he was very prominent Vaishnava, Lochan Das Thakur, who wrote Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's life history. And but they understand or not?
They can see them.
They don't understand.
Andaram para dizer que eles são aqui perto dela.
Huh? So Vrindavan Das Thakur first he wrote also the life history of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then he gave his name, that is called Chaitanya Mangal. And at same time, Lochan Das Thakur, he also wrote about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu life history. He gave their Granth's name, Chaitanya Mangal. Then Vrindavan Das Thakur, very humble, he changed his Grantha's name, then he gave Chaitanya Bhagavat. Actually, Vrindavan Das Thakur, he is called the Chaitanya Vyasa Avatar. What do you say? Vrindavan Das Thakur is called Chaitanya Vyasa Avatar. Vyasa Vistararte iti Vyasa. Vyasa means to spread. Glorify about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's life history. For this regard, he called Chaitanya Vyasa Vrindavan Das Thakur. As like Srimad Bhagavatam manifested by Krishna Devi and Vedavyas. In the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela manifested by Vrindavan Das Thakur. So Vrindavan Das Thakur is called Chaitanya Vyasa. Vyasa is. Vrindavan Das Thakur completely absorbed with Nityananda Prabhu also. So for this regard, when it explained all Nityananda's katha, that means the Grantha become very big. Very big. Then because I did not glorify about Mahaprabhu's Leela katha. Then Vrindavan Das Thakur, he wrote Mahaprabhu's Leela katha very briefly. So for the Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, so many glorify about Vrindavan Das Thakur also. And Vrindavan Das Thakur also very humble, he glorified about Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. This is called a Vaishnavism. And one Vaishnava glorified to another Vaishnava, or another Vaishnava glorified to another Vaishnava. This was it. So, Lochan Das Thakur Grantha, that is called Chaitanya Mangal Grantha. So, if we know to the whole life history of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we must read many Granthas. You have to read, not only 3 Granthas. Chaitanya Mangal, Chaitanya Bhagavat, Chaitanya Charitamrit, then Chaitanya Chandrodaya Grantha, Chaitanya Prakash Grantha. Then you completely understand the whole life history of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because you cannot read the only one Grantha, you cannot explain the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela Katha. And Adbhut Charit. Mahaprabhu's Katha is very, Adbhut means, what is English of Adbhut? Astonishing, no? Astonishing. Gaura Leela even. And Bhagavat you may understand, but very, very difficult to understand Gaura Leela Katha. Gaura Leela Katha is very, very confidential. So for this regard, we have to read many Granthas also. And then we can understand about Mahaprabhu's whole lifestyle, his bhajan and sadhana. So Lochan Das Thakur, he also glorified about Nityananda Katha also. That's to say, Lochan bole sei papi elo ar gelo. Heno nitai charane ja ruti na hoilo. Lochan bole sei papi elo ar gelo. Who has no deep attachment with Nityananda Prabhu. Heno avatari jar ruti na hoilo. Lochan bole sei papi elo ar. Avataro sar, I think, na? Avataro sar gora avatar কেন না ভজিলি তারে হরি নিরেবাস গেল না পিয়াস আপন করম দোষে। Very nice video. Lochan Das Thakur Kirtan, very beautiful. The Gaur Sundar Katha is very sweet. Very sweet Gaur Sundar Katha. Even if you not read Narahari Sarkar Grantha also, and you cannot completely understand Gaur Sundar Katha. যদি গৌরাঙ্গ নইত তবে কি হইত কেমনে ধরিতাম দে রাধার মহিমা প্রেম রস সীমা জগতে জানাত কে। গাও গৌরাঙ্গ যদি গৌরাঙ্গ নইত তবে কি হইত কেমনে ধরিতাম রে রাধার মহিমা প্রেম রস সীমা জগতে জানাত কে মধুর বৃন্দা বিপিন মাধুরী প্রবেশ চাতুরী সার ব্রজ বরজ যুবতী ভাবের ভগতে সকতি হইত কার। গাও পুন পুন গৌরাঙ্গের গুণ সরল হইয়া মন এ ভব সাগরে এমন দয়াল না দেখিছে একজন। গৌরাঙ্গের গৌরাঙ্গ বলিয়া নাগেন গলিয়া কেমন ধরি নিবে নরহরি হিয়া শাসন দিয়া কেমন নরহরিটা এই নাইস বিউটিফুল দিস সং Narahari Sarkar. And also the Gaur Lila and how Krishna Lila simultaneously going on this way. And Paswati Sakhi, when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas, then in continental world, gopis, one gopi told to another gopi, Paswati Sakhi, yes Sakhi, dekho, and she, Bhutale, in this material world, our beloved Krishna, he took sannyas. That time one should be how possible our beloved Krishna, he will take sannyas. We did not see his any vairagya. Who can take sannyas? Who has vairagya? Detachment of the material sense. But our beloved Krishna so much attachment with the gopis. So how possible to take sannyas? Well, no. He took sannyas. Arunam. He took the cloth of saffron cloth he is taking. And he is crying, raise his two hands. Tears rolling down from his eyes. Then another gopi told, oh, this is his pretending, cheating the people. Aruna was actual in the Ras dance. In Vrindavan, we did perform Ras dance with him. When he disappeared from the Ras dance, we felt pang of separation from him. And that time our Kujakumkuna Nichita Vasam. At that time our clothes that completely smeared with the kumkum and tears rolling down. So for that cloth we left, and now he is taking that cloth. So the Kujakumkita Nichitam Vasam. So what is his sannyas? Only he is crying, he is crying, he is pretending. Pretender can cry every second, cry, and another second, how. Laughing or not? Those who are very quickly crying are quickly also smile. So don't believe to them. You understand?
Yeah.
This is the nature. Those very quickly crying and quickly laughing changing. So in the same way, And our beloved Krishna is this way. He is crying. He is pretending this way. And they say, no, we saw. And so in this way, Narahari Sarkar, very nice, beautiful, and Gaur Sundar Astakam. What is Astakam is? He wrote this very nice, beautifully, glorify about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Actually, why I am saying? Because Gaur Lila and our Krishna Lila is going on here. Addavadi Sahi Lila Kare Gaura Rai. Kono Kono Bhagavan Deki Vare Jai. Gaur Lila and Krishna Lila simultaneously going. Because one side Krishna Lila and another side Gaur Lila is going on. Audarja Vigraha and Madhurjamay Vigraha. Krishna is called Madhurjamay Vigraha, or Gaur Sundar is called Audarjamay Vigraha. And crying. And he also, especially Gaur Lila giving hot things to her. And in Gaur Lila, Gaur Sundar himself told his Karuna Sakti, hey Karuna Sakti, now we're completely free. And there are no any bound, bandhan. As like the horse has no any reins. In the same way, hey Karuna Sakti, you may go and you give this blessing to everybody. Yes? Who is qualified, unqualified, no need to say. Hano avatare jar roti na hoilo. Lochan bole sahi papi elo ar. In this incarnation Sachinandan Gaurari, he did not discriminate to anyone. Who is qualified, who is unqualified. Other incarnation, when they are giving the prem, they justify. You are qualified or unqualified. Or Gaur avatare, vichar hano avatare vichar na karila. Jare dekhe tare, teni prem bilaila. Whoever is coming in front of him, he is giving prem. Take this. Even those who are not taking this prem, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu by force was giving prem. Take this. Why not? Mahaprabhu did it. Especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he traveled in South India, Dakkin Bharat Brahman, he delivered all the living, just as giving darshan. Hano Jahar Dur Darshane Aise Krishna Prem. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu performed his Leela, which Leela? Dakkin Desh Brahman, Dakkin South India. That time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gave prem to it. Even Jahar Dur Darshana means?
Sing from distance.
Singing from distance. Prem also manifested. For this guy, Narottam Das Thakur, very humble. And he is saying, Takhono keno amar na hoilo janam. Why did not it take birth that time? Now we are doing more hard bhajan, sadhan. Maybe we will achieve or not, some doubts. But during the time of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gauravata, that time he giving prem to everyone. He did not discriminate with anyone. Papi, tapi, sabko udharila. Nagar bho miya amar, gaurelo ghare, gaurelo ghare amar, nitai elo ghare, papi tapi udhariya, gaurelo ghare, gaurelo ghare amar, nitai elo ghare, আর ধুলা ছাড়ি সচি মাতা গৌর কোলে করে झोलाझड़ी पद्मावती निताई को लेकर वेरी नाइस वीडियो. Here is saying the papi tapi uddhariya. All the sinner, everything is also Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Gaur Sundar. He did it. Especially Nityananda Prabhu, so merciful. You cannot believe. Ye Nitai Karuna. Karuna means understand? Compassion, mercy. Sometime you all told this katha. One day Nityananda Prabhu told to Gaur Sundar, hey Gaur Sundar, come with me, take darshan sadhu. Sadhu darshan. Okay. So Gaur Sundar and Nityananda, they also came on sadhu's house. And that sadhu, very humble. Sadhu also gave some prasad. Gaur Sundar and Nityananda. And that day was also Ekadashi and prasad. Mahaprabhu just seated, Mahaprabhu did not eat. And our Gaur Nitai just eating. And say, almost his plate finished. And that time, that sadhu, and who has red cloth, that sadhu told his wife, bring Ananda. Then Mahaprabhu Nimai asked to Nityananda, what is the meaning of Ananda? Because sadhu's language is very difficult to understand. Different sadhus, that different language. Because Nityananda Prabhu, before he traveled all over the pilgrimage place of India, Varsaptirthumi Brahmani. So he knows different sadhus language. Different sadhus, what sadhu? Kormi sadhu, Gyani sadhu, Yogi sadhu, Bhanda sadhu, and this sadhu. And this sadhu's name is original Dari Sannyasi. Dari means two meanings of Dari Sannyasi. Dari means those sannyasis are drinking alcohol. Dari Sannyasi. Dari means those who are keeping the wife with themselves. That is also Dari Sannyasi. Dari means wife. Lady. So, Nityananda Prabhu, he knows the language of this type of sadhu. That sadhu told his wife, are bring Ananda. Because Nityananda almost finished his prasad. That time Mahaprabhu, Nimai, very simple, Nimai asked Nitai, what is the meaning of the Ananda? Brother Brazil, most of the ladies' name is what? Ananda. Everybody knows Ananda. And many ladies' name Ananda. 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 Or another Monica. Monica Ananda. Amanda. Samanda. Good. Monica also name, no? Monica is name. Monica good name also. Monica, she also give the matta to Krishna Balram. Disguise the form of what is called? Armies, you know? Army chief commander. This katha in Jagannath Puri. Monica. This katha is there. So, Ananda. Ananda means is your bliss. Understand? So, sadhu is Ananda means bliss. These types of Dari Sannyasi, they drinking alcohol. And also staying with wife Ananda. So their name is called Ananda. Mahaprabhu asked Nimai, hey, Mahaprabhu Nityananda. What is the meaning of Ananda? Then Nitai told, or this is Daru Sannyasi. They drink alcohol and Madura. Then Mahaprabhu, this types of sadhu is probably this sadhu darshan. Those sadhu are drinking alcohol, or you are saying very sadhu darshan. Then Mahaprabhu jumped in the Ganges and crossed it. But Nityananda Prabhu, he ate everything. But Nityananda did not drink the alcohol. So, so Nityananda in this way, he also give mercy to that types of sadhus. So for this regard, Nityananda Puri is called Avadut. Lochan Das Thakur, he is writing this way. What is it called? Avadut. That is how Nityananda Puri, Lochan Das Thakur Kirtan also there. Nitai mor jivan dhana, nitai mor jati, निताई बिहने मोर आर नहीं गति है। अंडरस्टैंड? हाँ, नित्यानंद प्रभु इज अवधूत है नो। निताई मोर धन धन ज्योति निताई अक्रोध परमानंद नित्यानंद राय अभिमान शून्य निताई नगरी बेड़ा। Chalo. Lochan Das Thakur one song is very nice also. Heard you? Avataro sar, Gora avatar. Avataro sar, Gorai avataro, Kanona bojili tare, Korini revas, Galona pias, Apono koramo fere, Ari kanta kero toru, Sadai se bilimon, Amrita pai barayasi, Ari prema kalpatoru, Sigauranga ama, Tahare bhabili bise, Saurabhira ase, Palas sukilimon, Nasate posilo kitam, Ari ikhu danda bhabi, Kata chusilimon, Kemone pai mitam, Hara boliya, Balaya korilimon, Samana kinkara sapa, Are sitala boliya, Aguna koalimon, Paili barajotapam, Samsara bajili, Siguranga bhulili, Nasunili sadhur kotha, Iha para kalo, Lukalo khawaliman, Khali apana mata. Nice way to say. Iha parakal, दुकाल ख्वाली खाइली अपना माथा लोचनदास ठाकुर संसार भजिली और गौरांग भूलिली ना सुनिली साधुर कथा साधु what is saying? You did not listen the advice of sadhu. What is the advice of sadhu? Arey, don't go Maya. Don't go Maya. And if you go Maya, very difficult to come back. Very, very difficult. So saying, Sangsara bhajili, Gauranga bhulili, na sunili, sadhuru katha. यह परकाल दुकाल खाइली ख्वाली ना यह परकाल दुकाल ख्वाली मन खाइली अपना माथा में यू आर ईटिंग योर ओन हेड खाइली अपन माथा में हेड है और पुलिस सो यह परकाल दुकाल ख्वाली मन खाइली अपन माथा और द इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन से
You have wasted both this life and the next, and thus you have destroyed your own self.
Destroy your own self. Understand? So, what will do now? Pagal can do anything. What to do? So saying, don't go Maya, don't go. But who will listen? No one listen. Brahmachari listen. Then brahmachari looking to brahmachari. Brahmachari staying that side or brahmachari living this side. So good or not? Maya is very powerful. Yeah. One life do bhajan and sadhana. One life control your senses. Always saying same. Yeah. But no one listen. Listen or not? No. तो माई और पाई छोड़ो not छोड़ो not पाई what is पाई no need to पाई or माई छोड़ो माने कीवा हरे कृष्ण बोलो पाई माई छोड़ो हरे कृष्ण बोलो गुड और नॉट पाई माई छोड़ो हरे कृष्ण बोलो दिस इज गुड पाई माई छोड़ो हरे कृष्ण बोलो नहीं यार भजन करो सब है ओ यार से हेन अवतारे रात जार रुति नाम जन्मिल लोचन बोले सही पापी एलो आर और ये अक्रोध परमानंद और फिर जे देशे निताई नाई से देश ना जाबो निताई विमुख जनार मुख ना हेरिबे गंगा जार पदजल हर शिरी धरे হেন নিতাই না ভজিয়া দুঃখ পেয়ে মরে। লোচন বলে মোর নিতাই যেবা না মানে, অনল ভেজাই তার মুখ মাঝখানে। নাইস সঙ্গ। হ্যাঁ, লোচন বলে মোর নিতাই যেবা নাহি মানে, one not except Nityananda Prabhu. I put fire in his mouth, মুখখানি, অনল ভেজাই তার মুখ মাঝখানে। হ্যাঁ, নিতাই মোর জীবন ধন, নিতাই মোর জাতি, নিতাই বিহনে মোর আর নাহি গতি। সংসার সুখের মুখে তুলে দিব ছাই, নগরে মাগিয়া খাইব গাইয়া নিতাই। হ্যাঁ, বলে I will maintain my life just chanting the name of Nityananda. হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা, নিতাই 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 নিতাই, what do you mean নিতাই? বলা নে তাই, নে মানে take, তাই what do you want? What do you want? Krishna prem, Radha prem, take this. Gaur Govinda Goswami Maharaj very nicely explained ne tai. What is that? Ne tai. Ne, what do you want? What do you want? Well, Krishna prem, Radha prem. যে দেশে নিতাই নাই সে দেশে না যাব, নিতাই বিমুখ জনার মুখ না হেরিব। গঙ্গা যার পদজল হরশিরে ধরে, হেন নিতাই না ভজিয়া দুঃখ পেয়ে মরে। লোচন বলে মোর নিতাই যেবা নাহি মানে, অনল ভেজাই তার মাঝে মুখ কানে। So nice, Nityananda Prabhu glorification.
Many songs of Lochan Das Thakur about that.
Many songs.
Most of it.
Huh? Yeah, that time different Kavi, they poet, they also glorified our Nityananda Prabhu. And mostly our Vaishnava poet, they glorify about Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu shows merciful. Gaur Sundar, little bit, what is called? Hard. Hard, understand? Not so easy. And Nityananda Prabhu is giving mercy. Nitayir Karuna. So the Nitayir Karuna have Braji Radha. Sometimes saying this very nice katha. After Krishna Lila, then Krishna returned back in Golok Vrindavan. Then one day Krishna is thinking, after my Krishna Lila, I have to manifest my Gaur Lila. But he did not tell to anybody. He called to everybody. I will manifest my sweet Lila in Sadaddeep Dham, Gaura Dham. He glorified everyone. So all you have to participate my Gaura Lila. Assist to me. Then Nityananda Prabhu, Baladev Prabhu, he is writing his name. Krishna giving instruction and Baladev Prabhu, he is writing all their name. Understand? Giving his name. First name Krishna's name is there because Krishna Lila. Well, Krishna himself told, I will manifest in the form of Gaura. Okay. So Gaura Lila. Then Radharani, Gadadhar Pandit. So everybody, his name is there, they're coming. And even all the gopis, even Vaikuntha's many Parikar, they also call to them, giving to everybody's name. Then when they finish, then Baladev Prabhu's name is not there. Because he's writing. Then Baladev Prabhu, Kanai, where is my name? This is Lila. Then Krishna told, okay, I will not take with you. I will not take with me. I will not take you with me. Well, why not? Hey, you always angry with me and disturb my Leela. Well, why? Well, Ram Leela, you become very angry with me or not? And in your Lakshman, in my Ram Leela, you were very angry with me. Especially when I told you I want to return back my origin Sita, that time you become very angry. I told, and you also prepare one fire sacrifice, Agni Jagga Kunda, and Sita Devi she have to enter in the fire. Then you become very angry. So I will not take you. You disturb me. Even my Krishna Leela, also you become very angry. Baladev Prabhu, which Leela? Follow.
When Kurukshetra, Baju between Bhim and
Many Krishna Leela, Baladev Prabhu, many times angry with Krishna. Especially Subhadra Haran Leela. Subhadra Haran Leela. Baladev Prabhu angry or not? Look this thing. And also when Bhim killed Dushasan, Duryodhan, Gadayuddha, then he become very angry also. Hey, you are my disciple, if not follow the rules. Duryodhan and Bhim, both are the disciples of Baladev Prabhu. But in Gadayuddha, when very angry. When he broke the Duryodhan's hips, and that is the against the law of Gadayuddha. You cannot hit your gloves in the waist, under the waist. But Bhim did this thing. He become very angry also. So Baladev Prabhu told, I did not give the lesson to you. Why did you do this thing? Become very angry. Krishna told this katha also. Remind to him. In my, they broke the law. That time you are not there. 7 Rathis. They were to kill the son of Arjuna. So who broke that law? Because in the beginning of the Kurukshetra, they also discuss the rules. One warrior to fight with another warrior. If he has no any weapons, he should not kill or should not fight with him. Abhimanyu, that time he has no weapons. And the 7 warriors, they also attacked him and killed him. So they broke the rule also now. Then Krishna told, oh, in the beginning of the Kurukshetra, that time you were saying, I am going to Tirtha Jatra. So why you come here? Krishna become very angry with Baladev Prabhu. Now you went to Tirtha Jatra. Why now coming here? And you disturb this. So now coming this way, Krishna told to Baladev Prabhu, no need to come again. Then Baladev Prabhu told Nekanaya, when you are going to Satadev Leela, Navadip, I have to go with you. Then we go, okay, I'll take you, but don't angry with me. Okay. So for this regard, now Lochan Das Thakur singing this song. Akrodha Paramananda Nityananda Rai Abhimana Sunna Nitai Nagare Bedai. যারে দেখে তারে কহে দন্তে তীর্ণ ধরি আমারে কে নিয়ালহ বল গৌরহরি। যারে দেখে তারে কহে তীর্ণ ধরি আমারে কে নিয়ালহ বল গৌরহরি। বলি নিত্যানন্দ ভূমে করি যায় সোনার পর্বত যেন কোথায় অবতারে যার রতি না হইল লোচন বলে সেই পাপি এলো আর লোচন দাস ঠাকুর সিং। So that means Baladev Prabhu told, okay, in the Leela of a Gaura Leela, I will never angry with you. Okay. Mahaprabhu, Nityananda is very humble. Even Nityananda what is saying, Jatheshtara Bhrato Kuru Hari Hari Meenu. Nityananda Prabhu just raised his hands and he's saying, oh my brother and sister, just to chant holy names. I promise to you, deliver you from this ocean of human. So Gaur Sundar, Nityananda Prabhu's mercy is unique and unparalleled. So now coming, so Baladev Prabhu appeared in the form of Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Akrod. Akrod means he did not angry with anyone. So the Akrodha Paramananda Nityananda Rai Abhimano Sunna Nitai Nagare Veda. He has no any Abhiman. Abhiman no and ego is nothing. Who is coming out? Nityananda Katha is very sweet. So saying Akrodha Nityananda, Akrodha Paramananda Nityananda Rai Abhimano Sunna Nitai Nagare Vedai. Nityananda Katha is sweet. Gaur Sundar sometimes angry also. When Jagai or Madhai attack to Nityananda Prabhu and Jagai or Madhai, and one also hit the head of Nityananda Prabhu, some blood coming. When heard it, then Mahaprabhu become very angry. Mahaprabhu called Sudarshan Chakrakhan. Then Nityananda Prabhu told Prabhu, in your incarnation, you already promised. No, you will not hold any weapons. So, नाम अस्त्र है ना बदल हरि नाम दिया चित्त सुधाइला है लॉर्ड नित्यानंद प्रभु तो so saying this राम आदि अवतारे क्रोधे नाना अस्त्र धरे एव अस्त्र ना धरिल प्राणे कारो ना मारिल हरि नाम दिया करिल सुधार. Nityananda Prabhu mercy. Unique. So what is saying? First take shelter under the feet of Nityananda Prabhu. So saying Nitayer Koruna Have Braje Radha Krishna Bhave Dhara Nitai Charana Dukhan. Very tightly hold the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda's Katha is said. What is it? Nitai in a you are saying Nattam Das Thakur glorify your Nityananda. Nitai Pada Kamala Koti Chandra Susitala Ye Chhayai Jagat Jurai Nitai Bine Bhai Radha Krishna Paite Nai Dharani Tai Pai Se Samandha Nahi Ja Vita Janma Kelota Sei Pasu Vara Durachara Nitai na bolila mukhe Majila samsara sukhe করি তাই আরে মুক্ত হইয়া নিতাই পদ শাসনিয়া নতুরে সত্য বলি নিতাই করুণা হবে ব্রজে রাধা কৃষ্ণ পাবে হরা নিতাই চরণ দুখানি আয়ে চরণ সত্য তাহার সেবক নিত্য নিতাই পদ সদা করয়াস তম বড় দুঃখী নিতাই মোরে কর সুখী রাখ রাঙা চরণের পাশ রাখ রাঙা চরণের পাশ ও হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে বলো হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে কৃষ্ণ হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হলো হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 নিতাই গৌর হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল হরি হরি বল গৌর প্রেমানন্দে জয় নরসিংহদাস ঠাকুর কি जय लोचनदास ठाकुर की जय वृंदावन दास ठाकुर की जय कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी की हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय जय श्री राम महाप्रसाद की जय Nice. Good or not? So again,
Take prasad and go to the correct. To take prasad and go to the correct place. Organize every program. Yeah. To go and decorate
where?
that place.
You have went there? No. You went there? Did not go. Has to go check what is the place. Why not here, Harikatha? No?
Because there are lots of other times.
Huh?
Tomorrow we'll be here.
Pardon?
Tomorrow we'll be here. Tomorrow we'll be here. He's saying one place that lots of people can gather. It's like a popular place. That's why to attract more people.
Okay.